Hey guys, General Mechanic right here with another video. Today we got something a little bit different. We were called to come and check this 1985 F150 truck. 5.0. Problem is not cranking. They said that they had to spray a little bit of starting fluid, and actually it's not a starting fluid, it's brake parts cleaner. And they were able to get it cranked up a little bit, but it won't stay running. So I'm gonna show you what I've done and what we found, and hopefully this will help you if you got the same problem. I'm gonna tell you, this thing does turn, but it will not start. I mean, it will not start. Yeah, that's it. It's not start. It will crank but not start. So this is just a simple engine. As you know, it's got the distributor. We checked in there. It was a little dirty. The cap is a little dirty, and I would recommend the customer to replace it. But we cleaned it up, and it's still not helping us at all. So what we went further from there, you know, you need spark, and then you need fuel for it to crank. And as far as we know, the truck has you know, it runs good. It used to run good. So we got, you know, I'm putting to the side thinking that might be a compression problem, because if it was running good, so then, you know, we should have some good compression. So what I'll show you right now is what I found as being the problem. So we're gonna turn the switch on, and I'm gonna let you hear how the fuel system sounds. Just listen to it right there. Hopefully you can pick that little noise up or sound. All right, so I checked it, and I paid attention to it, and it sounds like you getting fuel pressure. We got good fuel pressure, but we got it going back to the tank. There's a problem on the fuel system that is letting the return pressure to go and stay open. It's staying wide open, and so if we try to turn it, listen to what it does. So there's no fuel pressure. So I thought there was no fuel pressures, and so I kept on checking, and I'm gonna show you what to do. Let's say you were stuck on the side of the road, and you're facing this problem. Back there, right in the back of the fuel rail, you see this is the injection line, and right under it there's the return line. So how to check or how to make this truck crank, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend the hose. Now let's do this. We're gonna turn the switch on, and let's pay attention to the sound that it was making, and then I'm gonna show you what else I'm gonna do. You see, the fuel is going back to the tank. So what am I gonna do right now is I'm gonna bend the return line. You see, the noise stopped. Why? We just made the truck build pressure on the fuel rail, and now we're gonna crank it. We're not gonna wait or nothing like that. We're just gonna turn the key and listen to what it does. All right, so we got a good running truck. So let's say you were stuck on the side of the road. You come back here, you get you a little piece of rope or something, pull the return line and hook it up to something right here and tie it, you know, so you can build pressure on the fuel rail. That is if you were, you know, broke down somewhere.